My sweet summer's gone. She left me here with
Hi guys, so I always wanted to do like a night routine video, and I know this is going to be my second video in one day, but it's probably not going to be up for like a few days because editing and life. But I wanted to do a night routine video. I always have. So yeah, that's what I did. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I usually do is take off my makeup, as you can see. Yeah, so I couldn't really speed up the video, so I'm just gonna sit here and talk while it finishes. So yeah. Okay, after I finish taking off my makeup, I usually try to like moisturize my skin, so that's what I'm doing next. But first I'm gonna tie my hair up because I don't really want it in my face for this process. And tonight I'm not gonna be taking a shower because I took one in the morning. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I usually would do is take out my contacts, but since I'm not wearing any right now, I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, just know that that's the next step. Then I would put on my pajamas or clean up my room, but I decided pajamas, which I'm already wearing pajamas. I'll just show you. I'm wearing a Sleeping with Sirens band tee that I am in absolute love with, and then I'm just wearing some really comfortable joggers. So the next two steps already completed. So the next thing I usually do is clean up my room, but I don't think you guys are really interested in that, so we'll just skip that step and go on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing I do is brush my teeth, and obviously I know I look like an idiot brushing my teeth. That's why I cut down the video so short. So that's pretty much the end of my video, because normally I spend the rest of my night just either watching Netflix all night or finishing homework that I should have done a long time ago. And I don't think you really want to watch me watch Netflix, and I don't have any homework. So I guess this is it for today's video. Don't have a random fact for you other than that I am extremely tired and I have not eaten dinner yet. But stay rad, and I love you all.